5-step process includes identifying support and resistance areas. We have minimal criteria of how we identify that support or resistance by 3 touches to get us to the area. And then we have our leg base, which we use that group of candles to help identify the risk, make sure that our leg base zone is in the right area in order to execute on a trade. Over time, you'll start to see the smaller time frames and the bigger time frames all in one picture, and you'll be able to train your eyes to just go right to that area and then digging in to get the right picture to verify why did price change direction. All of the leg base zones must be within the buy territory or within the sell territory. The structures offer a more detailed language. Now, if you become a trader that is kind of sets your trade and forgets it, the leg base group of candles is where I got a lot of the start. Now, in between the leg in and in a buy zone, the leg in must be red always. Now, if price turned and went down, and that happened to be a desired trade, and I did look over to the left, and no matter what time frame I turned down, I could not find the leg base, it is possible that it's not there. It's not so much how much money you make on these, it's about seeing the picture the right way. Upper 2/3 of this whole range is where I could be looking for a opportunity to go long in looking at the price pattern and the structure.